Hello, I'm John Murray from George James Software, and this is a quick intro demo to InterSystems Package Manager, an extension for Visual Studio Code. First job is to install the extension. A quick way of finding it in the marketplace is to search for IPM ZPM, and there it is at the top of the list. InterSystems Package Manager from George James Software, and we'll click install. Now it's installed, we can go to the InterSystems Server Manager tree, which you may be familiar with already, and find a server, drill into the server, look at the namespaces, find a namespace, and here's the Package Manager action button. I'll click on that one. First time you use it, you need to give permission for Server Manager to give credentials to Package Manager. We'll allow that. We'll say you can use the John M on Iris account here, and now it's successfully gone to the user namespace on IPM, user namespace on Iris, and is showing us that there is one package installed in this namespace. It's also showing us that the remote repository for this namespace, the standard repo, has got 437 packages in it, and I can browse through that. I can go and find a package I'd like to install. I'm going to pick AOC 2021 UVG for demo purposes. If I want to know more about the package, I can use this button to go to the package repository on GitHub. But I just want to install it. Click the install button, and further down on this tab is the results of that. It's issued a command to the ZPM shell in the user namespace on this server. So now if I want to look at the package manager view from the namespace again, I've now got the AOC package as well as the previously existing Swagger UI. With that list, I can pick one of them and then get some command buttons on here. I can do a find in repositories, and at the moment it's predictably reporting the same version number as I installed. But if I'd done this on an extension, a package that's got a new version, it would show up there. I can then use install latest to issue the install command, get the readback from that. If I want to know what packages depend on this particular package, I can run the list dependence command. If I need to reinstall the current version, I can issue the reinstall command. Well, ultimately, if I want to do the uninstall, click on here and proceed to reload the page. And now we're back down to one package. This is a fully functional package manager command prompt. So if I type in version, I can see what version I've got. I can type in, get that information. I can, of course, ask for help. Scroll back through that, or I can get more detailed help on GitHub by clicking the button there. Finally, I can clear the field. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll try it out for yourself.